Welcome back to the garden. So it is an absolute beautiful day, and today, yeah, guess what? More borders, more updates. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Most of the plants are at the polytunnel this morning for a bit of fresh air. Like I say, it's an absolutely beautiful day, so I need to give these a bit of a water. These are the plants which are obviously going to go into the beds this coming season. And a few more just there. So today, aim of the game, get these borders dug in. That's the outline. And also, you can just make out here, done the outline of that bed there. So thank you very much for everyone who commented. I've took on board what you've said. I think you guys have given some really brilliant ideas, so please continue to comment in the section down below, and I'll really get a good understanding of like what you guys want and how I can incorporate it into my garden. So again, thank you very much. Let's get planting. So also as well, today I want to do a bit more structure on my gourd arch. Gourds are growing away absolutely beautifully, which I'll try and get a little video of them a little bit later on. But I want to get a bit more structure to it and get some cable ties on where I've actually got some string, give it a lot more support because it's going to get heavy. And please excuse two things. One, the way I've dressed, because I've got like old clothes on to do some gardening, and B, if you're new here, this is a brand new garden to me, so I've got rubbish everywhere. Not rubbish, just stuff everywhere. So until we kind of get on top of it, I've only been in like less than 2 months, so please bear with me. If you can get on with the chaos, then please stick with me. And in the summer I should be called the crocked gardener, because that's all I ever wear. So I'm just going to plant as I go, just to break it up a little bit. So banana in here, undecided as to what's going around it, but we'll have to figure that out as we go. And then obviously a little bit more to go. Now I've got those either side of the arch dug out, cheap. I'm going to go ahead and put some more supports within the archway now. I don't know about you guys, let me know back down below, but I just get bored so easy. Not bored, but like I like to do a job and then do another one and do another one. If I was to dig out the board all in one go, I'd be bored to tears, and I'd feel like I'm not really accomplishing much, even though I am. So yeah, I really do like to mix it up. So let's go ahead, get that done now. So I may play around a little bit with this. So on this one, because I didn't want to cut them because I'm tight, so that one's kind of marries that shape a little bit better, whereas that's a bit squarer. So I think I'm actually going to go for this one, which I'll change, not today because I want to crack on with other jobs. Quick outfit change, because I don't know if you guys do this, but I managed to like have maybe an hour or two in the garden, get on with family stuff, do the day-to-day and then get back out in the garden. So that's currently where I'm at. Another quick half an hour, so I'll show you where we're at with this. All I'm doing here, I'm just cutting them into sections with my spade, and then I'm taking almost like turf, just the top of it off, and that's going into another bed at the front, just to build it up a little bit. Once I've obviously killed off the grass, I think I'm only going to get into that corner, or nearly to that corner, by the time today's actually done. Right, back to this board now. Oof. So I've had an idea for my corner, run it by you. Bit laziness, but there's a sort of method in my madness, so let me talk you through it. I'm going to raise this bed up to give it some height, so let me show you. So this is the border, banana cordyline, tetrapanax, T-Rex, and then I have my Trachycarpus fortunii. In the corner here I've got a sickly Fatsia, but it's actually doing really well. So Frost had a real good go at it, but the new shoots are doing great, so I've tucked that away in the corner, and then I've raised this up. So I don't know if before, just put a little picture in there, you can see it was quite low, but now it's actually it's going to create quite a bit of height. So when I get that planted, it should be even bigger around that side. So yes, I've got to weed through it, I've got to dig through it, but that's just another job for another day. So I'm actually quite pleased with that. This little bit here to dig out, obviously, but I think I'm going to call that a day. And that's it from this angle. That's where it's going to be raised, and that'll follow it round there. So I'm pretty pleased with that. And there we have it. So if you made it to the end, thank you very much for watching. Please bear with me through these vlogs. I feel like the garden is getting there, but it's still got a lot to do. Got a lot of corners what need a lot of work, and so I keep thinking I can't put my camera on that, but let's be real, you know, life kind of gets in the way. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the channel out, and subscribe if you're not already. So until next time, I'll see you in the garden.